In today's highly competitive business environment, companies are looking for ways to use technology with automation to capture efficiencies in all aspects of their business. This is certainly true for the inspections, audits, and observations that must be performed in order to improve employee safety and quality management and comply with government regulations. There are several reasons why companies want to make this switch to electronic software inspections and data collection, moving away from the old paper-based systems. It can take a lot of time to collect paper-based inspection data and then have to transfer that data to a spreadsheet, database, or management software program. Many managers are simply frustrated with the excessive amount of paper needed for collecting and storing all of that data. Illegible inspection recordings and comments can result in inaccuracies or incomplete data. And of course, data stored in a paper-based system can be difficult and time-consuming to retrieve. An efficient inspection and audit collection system is necessary in today's business climate to protect companies from non-compliance and exposure to financial loss when issues are detected. Companies can ill afford the risk of incomplete or inaccurate data. Introducing Inspect-A-Track, a Windows-based automated inspection, audit, and observation software that mobilizes the process of data collection, transfer, and management. Inspect-A-Track is more than an inspections and audit system. It is a mobile solution to a business need for verification and validation. It is a remarkable use of e-based technology and is transforming how companies collect, transfer, and use data from inspections, observations, and audits. Inspect-A-Track is built on the Windows operating system platform for adaptability to company IT infrastructure. The software can be run on laptops or tablets to be mobilized and brought to the plant floor. The Inspect-A-Track system lets you add customized site or facility maps and equipment images to inspections run on the mobile devices to make performing inspections that much easier. Inspect-A-Track Administrator software is used to create and edit inspection template databases, which are files used to update the data collection application on a tablet or laptop. Inspect-A-Track Administrator allows companies to customize the organization and components of inspections and audits in a way that is most suitable to their needs. And Inspect-A-Track Manager is a cloud-based management system for reporting, alerting, and scheduling. It includes a dashboard that allows each user to access and view the information that is important to them. Company managers want an immediate alert and notification when an inspection is out of compliance, when inspections are completed on schedule, and when there is resolution to out-of-compliance issues. This is what Inspect-A-Track Manager does. It provides timely access to inspection records. It helps managers use inspection data to initiate corrective actions and take appropriate steps to ensure the company is in compliance, reducing exposures to risk, fines from regulators, customer complaints, and loss of business. Ultimately, the Inspect-A-Track system can help companies improve the accessibility and usability of data from inspections, observations, and audits, reduce costs and time requirements for data collection, transfer, and management, and provide managers accurate, timely, and reliable data to use in ensuring compliance with OSHA, USDA, and FDA regulations and other third-party certifications. To learn more about automating inspection data collection, transfer, storage, and management using the Inspect-A-Track system, contact an Inspect-A-Track sales representative today and schedule a free Inspect-A-Track needs analysis consultation.